Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we do some practice examples on ratios. The discussion about what ratio means and the concept related to ratio was discussed in our previous class. Please watch that class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so one important concept about ratio. Let's refresh that concept because if you understand this concept, solving any ratio example is very easy. That's why we are refreshing the concept again. So in our last class we discussed that ratio means it's a relationship between two entities or quantities. That is what a ratio means. Let's take an example. Salaries. Take salaries of two persons. One person's salary is 1000, another person's salary is 10. So what is the ratio between these two salaries means 1000 is to 10. These are the actual salary values. But ratio means what's the ratio? What's the relationship? That is what it is giving. So 1000 cancelled out, 10 with both sides cancelled with 10. 10 means 1. This is 10 means 100. 100 is to 1. This is what ratio means. What's the meaning of that? 100 is to 1 means for every 100 rupees for first person, he is going to have 1 rupee. That is what the relationship of the ratio says. For every 100 rupees of this person, he is going to have 1 rupee. So, but actual values are 1000 and 10. So, if the ratio value is provided, that is not the meaning of actual salaries. But we can, so that's why ratio, if you multiply on both sides with the same number, ratio will not get affected. You can cancel out. So multiply 100 with some x number, 1 with some x number. In place of x, if you place 10, you are going to get the actual salary. 100 multiplied by 10, 1000. 1 multiplied by 10, 10. If you understand this concept, solving examples is very easy. This is what the concept of ratios. So a bag contains 50 paise coins, 25 paise coins and 10 paise coins in the ratio of 5:9:4. So they have provided you the ratio value 5:9:4 means for every 50 paise coins, there are 9 25 paise coins and 4 10 paise coins. That is what ratio is. These are not the actual values. Multiply these with some unique number, some value. Multiply 3 values with some value. You are going to get the actual number of coins. If you understand that point, solving it is very easy. So a bag contains 50 paise, 25 paise and 10 paise coins in the ratio 5:9:4 amounting to rupees 206. Find the number of coins of each type. See, number of coins is 5x, 9x, 4x. We don't know what's the x value. That is what we have to identify. But he mentioned that amounting it to the rupees 206. 5x coins multiplied by 1/2. Why multiplied by 1/2? 50 paise means half rupee. That's why. So 5x half rupee coins plus 9x quarter rupee coins plus 4x 10 paise coins. 10 paise means 1/10. So that is equal to 206. If you solve it, 103 x is equal to 4120, x is equal to 40. 50 paise coins are 540 is 200, 25 paise coins are 940 is 360, 10 paise coins are 440 is 160. Around that concept, whatever the concept we discussed, all examples related to that concept only. Let's do one more example. A mixer contains alcohol and water. There is a mixer, alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. Means for 4 parts of water, alcohol, we are having 3 parts of water. Ratio is not the actual liters. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixer, 5 liters of water is added to the mixer, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the quantity of alcohol. We need to identify the alcohol quantity. See, from the previous examples, from the previous knowledge, 4:3 ratio, if you want to identify the actual quantity, multiply with some number. So let quantity be 4x and 3x. Okay, and in our previous classes we clearly discussed that ratio can be expressed in the form of fractions, 4x by 3x. But what's the second statement says? 5 liters of water added. Already mixture contains 3x of water. For that 5 liters is added. 3x plus 5 equal to 4 by 5. 4x by 3x plus 5 is equal to 4 by 5. The ratio changes to 4 is to 5. That can be written as in the fractions also we can write these points discussed. That's why when you equate this, 20x is equal to, solving it is very easy. So 8x is equal to 20, x is equal to 25. It's not 25, 2.5. Alcohol is equal to 4 multiplied by 2.5. That is equal to 10 liters of alcohol you are having. So in our next class we are going to do some more examples, different types of examples on ratios. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.